Hey, it's Joe from supplementclarity.com. Today, let's talk about 5 different facts and myths about dietary supplements. Let's see how many you knew. Number 1, does the FDA regulate dietary supplements? I'll bet if you asked your friends, they would say no, and they would be wrong. Here is a page from the actual FDA website where they point out the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, also known as DSHEA, was signed into law in 1994 by President Bill Clinton. This new law, look, they're calling it law. This new law created a new regulatory framework for the safety and labeling of dietary supplements. It is actually quite intricate, this new law, this Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, which is not so new anymore, by the way. There's even a definition for what a dietary supplement is, but at the end of the day, you get the message. FDA does regulate dietary supplements. Number 2, supplements have no side effects. It depends on what supplement we're talking about. Here is probably the most egregious dietary supplement side effect I've ever encountered. Beta-carotene dietary supplements have been shown in clinical studies to increase the risk of both lung cancer and stomach cancer. The original research in the 1990s noted that lung cancer was increased with beta-carotene supplements anywhere from about 18 to 28%, and this effect was very significant in people who smoked and worked around asbestos. I will point out, however, that the researchers used mega doses of beta-carotene, 20 to 30 milligrams a day. This is actually much more than you would get in your run-of-the-mill beta-carotene dietary supplement. Still, I can't think of a good reason why someone would want to take a beta-carotene supplement. Yeah, it is popular for preventing cancer. However, these researchers point out beta-carotene supplements have not been shown to be beneficial at preventing cancer. If you're taking beta-carotene to prevent cancer, my advice is eat a carrot, eat a salad, then you're getting all of your carotenoid molecules. Yeah, all of them. Beta-carotene is one of hundreds of carotenoid molecules. When you take a supplement, you're only getting beta. Well, when you eat a carrot or you eat spinach, etc., you're getting them all. I would much rather you do that than just take a single beta-carotene supplement. Number 3, are natural supplements, are they better than synthetic dietary supplements? Well, generally not always the case, and as proof of this, I'll point out the case for folic acid. Folic acid is the synthetic vitamin folate, which comes from foliage, green leafy vegetables. Folate is the natural vitamin. These researchers rightly point out folic acid is significantly better absorbed than the natural vitamin. In fact, processing and cooking could actually destroy folate anywhere from 40 to 70%. This is why folic acid is probably in your multivitamins right now. It's more stable. Yes, in this instance, the synthetic vitamin, folic acid, is a better option than folate if you're going to take it as a dietary supplement. If you're going to eat it as food, well, then you're going to get folate. And again, like all food's going to have a lot of other things, not just folate. Number 4. Does extra protein build muscle? Do you get bigger and stronger if you take more and more and more protein? So in this investigation, they point out something very interesting. This is a review of 49 previous studies of exercise and protein intake, involved over almost 2,000 different people. These researchers conclude that protein intakes greater than 1.6 grams per kilogram a day do not contribute to any greater improvements in muscle size or strength. I'll say that again. Using protein more than 1.6 grams per kilogram a day does not result in you getting bigger or stronger from strength training. Now, I know what you're saying. What the heck is 1.6 grams per kilogram a day? 0.7 grams per pound. That's it. So according to this study, strength training gains capped out at 0.7 grams per pound. How much is that? That's about twice the RDA for protein. The RDA for protein is 0.36 grams per pound. This is about twice the RDA for protein. And then lastly, do athletes need extra vitamins? So it depends. If you're deficient in the vitamins, yeah, giving a person a vitamin supplement to correct that deficiency will in fact improve exercise performance. But if you're already getting your vitamins and minerals from your diet, well, then giving you extra vitamins does not improve exercise performance. So it just depends. If you're eating, turkey and chicken and tuna fish and, fruits and veggies and beans and seeds, you may already be getting enough vitamins. And if you're not, well, then, yeah, taking a vitamin supplement will help. Again, something to think about if you're taking some of these high potency vitamin supplements. You may or may not need it. So there you have it. What do you think? Are there any other myths out there about vitamins or minerals that you've been asked in the past? Leave them below and I'll answer them myself. Until next time, I'm Joe from supplementclarity.com. Take care.